Love is truly one of the most powerful forces in the world, transcending age, appearance, culture, and even physical limitations. In today's video, we'll explore the stories of 10 extraordinary couples that prove love is indeed blind. These couples have faced challenges and defied societal expectations, showing us that when it comes to love, there are no limits. Let's jump right in. Couple 1. The tallest and shortest couple. First on our list is Kleber and Joyce Fernandez, one of the most visually striking couples. Joyce stands at an astounding 7 feet 8 inches, while his wife Kleber is 5 feet tall. Despite their significant height difference, their love story has captured the hearts of many around the world. They show that height is just a number when it comes to love. Couple 2. The age difference couple. Next we have Gary Hardwick and Almeda Errol, a couple that has been making headlines due to their 53-year age gap. Gary was just 17 years old when he married 71-year-old Almeda, and the two have been inseparable ever since. Their story challenges conventional beliefs about age and romance, proving that when it comes to love, age is just a number. Couple 3. The couple with extreme weight differences. Then we have Patricia and Andrew, a couple whose love overcame the stigmas of body image. Patricia is a plus-sized model, while her husband Andrew is much slimmer. The couple has been subjected to judgment and online trolls, but they continue to inspire others with their unwavering bond and mutual respect, showing that true love transcends physical appearance. Couple 4. The couple who met in a virtual world. Amy and Ryan met in the most unconventional way, inside a virtual reality game. The couple formed a deep connection in a virtual world before finally meeting in person, where their relationship blossomed. Their love story proves that love knows no boundaries, not even those of the digital world. Couple 5. The blind couple defying expectations. Next we have Nikki and Tim, both born blind, who fell in love despite the challenges they face in navigating a world built for the sighted. Their story is a beautiful reminder that love isn't about what we see with our eyes, but what we feel in our hearts. They work together as a team, showing the world that love truly has no limits. Couple 6. The Beauty and the Beast couple. Linda and Philip have often been described as the Beauty and the Beast, due to their contrasting physical appearances. Despite Philip not fitting conventional standards of attractiveness, Linda has always emphasized that their connection goes far beyond looks. Their bond is based on personality, shared values, and a deep emotional connection, proving once again that love sees beyond the surface. Couple 7. The couple with a disability and their partner. Next we have Alex and Jamie, a couple where one partner has a disability. Alex is in a wheelchair and Jamie, his partner, has been by his side through it all. Their love has been strengthened by the challenges they face together, proving that true love is about emotional support and partnership, not physical abilities. Couple 8. The couple from different cultural backgrounds. Then we have Aisha and John, a couple from two very different cultural backgrounds. Despite initial resistance from their families and communities, they have shown that love can bridge even the deepest cultural divides. Through mutual understanding, respect, and love, they have built a life together that honors both of their heritages. Couple 9. The couple with a 3-foot height difference. Anton Kraft and China Bell are another couple that challenges societal norms. Anton, standing at just 4 feet 4 inches, is a professional bodybuilder, while China, his girlfriend, is over 6 feet tall. Their relationship is not only remarkable because of their height difference, but also because China is transgender. Their love breaks barriers and proves that love can flourish in unexpected ways. Couple 10. The couple married for over 80 years. Finally, we have Karam and Katari Chand, a couple who have been married for over 80 years. Having spent the majority of their lives together, their love story is one of longevity and dedication. Through the ups and downs of life, they have remained committed to each other, proving that love truly can stand the test of time. As we've seen today, love truly knows no boundaries. Whether it's age, appearance, culture, or physical ability, these couples have shown that love transcends all obstacles. Which couple inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories about love and relationships.